Hello everybody, today's video is an IKEA haul. As I've just started going to university, I needed quite a lot of new stuff. I hope this is not too boring because it's really just essentials. Also, I kind of want to show a before and after of my university room, which I'm going to film very soon, but I'm not quite happy with my university room just yet. So yeah, keep an eye out for that. So let's start with hangers. I got quite a lot of these. These are packed up in 10, so I got about 6 of these. In my wardrobe there isn't a lot of shelving space, but there is a lot of hanging space, so I'm basically hanging everything up. I got this duvet cover, and this is just like a really nice grey colour, which is really in at the moment. It was kind of like linen or something. I don't actually know what material this is, but this was only £15. Can you believe it? And I had to get this as my sister's coming soon. She needs some bedding as well. I still want to get some decorative cushions for this. Maybe like I want to get like a really nice pink for this, because I think grey and pink go together so well, like a flushed pink. I have like an exact vision on how I want my bed to look. Right now it's kind of the opposite. I have pink bedding and grey decorative cushions. This is the pink cushion, and then I have these grey pillows. Talking about these grey pillows just now, I got these at IKEA as well. I basically got the filling and these covers. I don't know, I think these covers were only £1. I'm not sure though. The next thing I got is also decorative. I got 3 of these boxes. They are just really plain and simple. When you're in university you need so much storage. You have a really small room, and for me I've got quite a lot of stuff that I just want to sort out and put in boxes, so I didn't really like, I had shelves but they were all open and it would have just looked really messy, so I'm putting everything in these boxes. I also got a Billy shelf. I don't know if I can't show you. I can maybe put a video in, but you guys probably all know what a Billy shelf looks like anyway. So I got one because I didn't have a lot of storage and it's quite small. You can kind of just buy these and put these in the shelf and you have so much more storage, and it's just really neat in one corner and you can literally just put it anywhere. My room is not the biggest room and I didn't want to make it feel cluttered. And then I also got another shelf with a door at the front. I'm not sure what it's called. I'm gonna get this delivered to my house. It hasn't arrived yet. The delivery is £35 though, so if you live near an IKEA and you can carry it, I recommend you do so, because it's quite expensive if you're only getting a few things. I had to get a mattress as I only have a single bed and I want people to stay here. So I basically just got the cheapest mattress for £50, and I'm going to put this on the floor so people can sleep here. That's basically the reason why I had to pay to get things delivered to my doorstep. Then I have 2 more things that aren't related to kitchen stuff. The first one being a cover for the bed. I just got a white one, but I can't show you because it's on my bed right now. And then I just got a very simple box, and the plan for this box is to put all my washing in there. But what I like about this box is that you can fold it up and make it really tiny, because I didn't want to get a really sturdy box to put my washing in, because that will just take up a lot of space and I can't move it from one place to another. So that's my way of sorting out my washing basically. I know that a lot of other people in my flat just put their washing in a very thick bag. So now moving on to the kitchen stuff, which might be very boring. So I got one food container. It's just like this. It's very small but a lot fits in here, because what I have been doing and what I'm trying to do a little bit more is I'm cooking my food and then I'm putting the rest into this for uni the next day. You definitely always need a food container. And then I got 2 of these to dry off my dishes. I think they were very cheap. And then I got a bunch of glasses. I got 2 of these. I got 2 of these glasses. These glasses are really cute. I might have to get some more. For now I think 2 are enough. So basically I live in a flat of 10 people and they all have their own glasses. So but if I live in my own flat I think I will definitely need some more. And I also have 2 of these, and what I really like about these is that they are so big and so much fits in here. When I drink something, I like to drink quite a lot. I got 1 Prosecco glass and 2 wine glasses, which I can't show you at the moment, but the wine glasses at IKEA are only £1. Also, I got 1 cutting board because when I cook I always chop off a lot of vegetables, so I definitely needed a cutting board. I just got a very basic plastic one, and then I also got a pan, which was only, I believe, £4, like 35 or something, which is the weirdest price, but it's so cheap for a pan. Pans are really expensive if you don't get them at IKEA. That was basically my entire haul. I hope you enjoyed it. Also, I had Fresh this week and I got quite a lot of stuff, and if you want to see the stuff that I got Fresh this week, then let me know in the comments and I'm going to film a video on that. And if you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe. That would mean so much to me. I've actually been blown away by how many people have subscribed to my channel recently, because I've not really been uploading a lot, so I feel kind of bad for the people subscribing. I will see you very soon with another video. Goodbye.